Hello and welcome to another one of Sporty's product pirate videos. My name is Doug and today we're going to look at the Flight Gear Crosswind Bag. This bag is a favorite among student pilots at our flight school. We've loaded up this bag with all the gear a student pilot would use so you can see how it fits. We'll start on the outside. This is a padded oversized headset pocket. It'll fit a David Clark, Bose, most headsets without any issues. It's padded and lined. On the outside of this pocket we have a slash pocket which is perfect for a flashlight or fuel tester. This is a logbook pocket. Holds Sporty's flight logbook perfectly. On this side we have loops for pen and pencils as well as a water bottle holder. We find this can also be used for radios or even like windshield cleaner. On the rear of the bag we have two chart pockets for sectionals or L charts. This bag includes a shoulder strap as well as has this nice padded carrying handle. The main pocket is what makes this the perfect student pilot bag. Students still have to carry textbooks. A lot of us are using FAR AIMS or ASA textbooks, and there's enough room here in the middle to put all your books that you need for class. The back of this main compartment you'll see is that soft velvet material. This is made for Sporty's gear mods. And a gear mod are these little accessory pockets that we make. We have them available for radios, for sunglass pockets, even for like backup battery bricks for iPads. And you can kind of customize your bag to your liking. Sporty's kneeboards also has the same material on it, so you can go back and forth between your gear mod in your bag to your gear mod on your kneeboard. On the sides of this main compartment you have a lot of organization. So on the front there's this big, thick, padded iPad pocket. And then each side has a padded pocket for other gear. We have an ADS-B receiver in one. On this side we have a backup battery brick. The top flap has an embroidery window, and Sporty's embroidery department can put your name, your plane, your N number, whatever you like here on the top.